Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set different shipping charges for different states for United States in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are going to set different prices for shipping charges for different states for America. On left side you see settings, so click on it. So we are in general setting and then you see shipping, so click on it. So we are in shipping and delivery and then you see shipping region, rest of the world. We apply flat rate $50 for all over the world, but we are going to set shipping charges for different states for United States of America. Now you see add region, so click on it. Now you see region, add the destination in this region. Now select, so you can add United States. Now you see, so click on it. Now add it and then you see United States 54 states. Now you see edit, so click on it. You see all 54 states. So first deselect. Now we are going to select first three Arizona, Alaska, Alabama, and then click on done. So we select 3 states for United States of America for this region and then you see free shipping. Now select flat rate and then you see shipping option name. So we edit tax standard shipping, so you can add tax according to requirement. If you want, you can add estimate delivery time optional and then you see rate. So we are going to charge $10 for these 3 states. We select and then you see local delivery pickup. If you want, you can add it and then click on save and then you see you have saved region 2. Now you see United States 3. We select 3 states in this region and flat rate 10. So we are going to add more, so click on add region again and then you see region, add the destination in this region. Now select, again write United States. Now select and then you see 51 states left because we selected 3 states in another region. Now click on edit. Now deselect. Now you see these 3 disable now. We don't select it. Now select. So we select 7 and then click on done and then we are going to add flat rate. Now select and then you see shipping option name. So we added tax, so you can add tax according to requirement and we are going to apply $20 for these states, $20, so you can add number according to requirement and then you see local delivery pickup. If you want, you can add it and then click on save and then you see you have saved region 3. So we added 2 regions for United States. In one region we have 3 states. In second region we have 7 states. So you can add more region and you can select US states according to requirement and you can apply shipping charges according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.